Hey, you guys, take a small amount of sea moss and let it soak in spring water overnight. As you can see, it will grow. Rinse and repeat, rinse and repeat. You want to make sure that your sea moss is extra clean. I'm taking my sea moss out of the refrigerator after I've cleaned it 2 or 3 times with fresh spring water. Now I'm looking at it to make sure that all of the dirt has been removed. You want to make sure that your sea moss is extra clean. Just make sure that you're inspecting your sea moss, making sure there's no dirt, no sand, or anything that you don't want to go into your sea moss gel. You want to make sure that everything is just absolutely clean. Then you're going to take the sea moss and put it in your blender cup, and you're going to pack it all in as much as you can. I just used a small amount because a small amount goes a long way when it comes to sea moss. So then you're going to pour in some more spring water. You want to make sure that your spring water comes maybe a little bit over or about comparison to the amount of sea moss that you're using. So the more water you use, the less jelly it'll be, and the less water you use, it'll be more of a clumpy type consistency. So I just use pretty much the same amount that I put in. And as you can see, this consistency after you blend it, you don't want to blend it too long. Once you get it together, you're going to blend it and pour it into your container. You're going to stick it in the refrigerator. And I always label my sea moss so that I can know about how much or how long I have to use it. So you want to do that. You want to put the date so that you can be aware of how long it's been in the refrigerator. Once you start to smell like a fishy or ocean water type smell, then that's when you know that you can throw it away. I usually keep my sea moss for about a month, and that's about it.